Today's video is a very simple bed exercises. Just 1 minute is all you need of your very day from a busy schedule, whether you're working or a housewife or whatever the reason be. Now, no more excuses. You're finally gonna get a slim waist and you're definitely going to lose that belly fat with this very bed exercises that I'm going to show you. Now, no more hiding your belly fat with the help of a cushion. Now, the cushion is going to rest where it needs to and you're going to have a flat belly soon. For all those who make excuses, they don't have time to exercise, I'm sure you have time to lay in bed. Be it rich or poor, whatever your income, you sure have a bed. Now, no more excuses. This very easy, beginner-friendly workout is for one and for all. All you have to do is just play along this video and do it with me every single day. So what are we waiting for? Christmas? No ways. This time before Christmas, we're all gonna get a slim waist and a lean body. Let's hit it together. This one's a very simple and easy exercise to target your lower belly fat. Now, as you can see, I'm trying to raise my knees as high as I can. Bring it up to the chest, and when you're coming forward, try and exhale, and when you're going back, try and inhale. Let's go to the next exercise. Now, this one's a very easy exercise. You just have to lay in bed and try and touch your hands to your toes. It's a very easy and effective way of finally getting rid of your central obesity. You can bend your knees, and when you bring your knees all the way up to your chest, try and exhale and then inhale. And all you have to do is just concentrate on this movement and make sure to do as many reps as you can. Let's go to the next exercise. Now, this one's a sure shot winner when it comes to targeting your lower belly fat. I'm going to show you two variations, whether you have your legs straight or you can bend it slightly. You just have to flap your legs like this, up and down, and sure to see magnificent results on that lower belly fat. That pooch looks so bad when you have to fit into your favorite dress. Not anymore. Let's do this exercise together every single day. You're sure to see results. Now let's go to the next exercise. Which one do you like better? Let me know in the comment section below. If you can do ab crunches, then no problem. If you have a bed, this is all you have to do. Just lay in bed, then get up straight and then back. Now this exercise is actually going to target your belly area, which is always a problem. Whether you want to fit into your favorite clothes or even if you feel bloated or any other issue. This one's a sure shot winner. You just have to go back, lay in bed and keep your posture straight and then come back, get up again. Now this one's a very easy exercise for all the lazy people. Let's go to the next exercise. For the next exercise, with the help of a cushion, it's so easy. You just have to lay back and then come, get up and then try and touch your toes. So the moment you try and touch your toes, you have to exhale and then you have to go back. Now this exercise is definitely going to help you stretch and feel the burn along your belly area. Now don't forget to do this along with me. It's a very, very easy and effective exercise. Let's go to the next exercise. Alright, now let's target the lower belly fat yet again. Now all you have to do is try and cycle and try and give support to your knees one after the other just like this, and if you want you can even keep your head on the bed. You don't have to lift it like I have, but it's a very easy and a very effective exercise. You can easily do as many counts as you want. Let's go to the next exercise. Well, if you haven't tried this, you really should, because this exercise is the most perfect, easy and effective way to finally get rid of that belly fat. Now many of you still complain you can't fit into your favorite dresses or whatever event is coming up. You've tried dieting, everything, but that belly fat just won't budge. Now try this, cycling with both your legs together. Try and join your knees and then do this exercise. It's very easy and very, very effective. Now let's go to the next exercise. Which one do you like better? Let me know in the comment section below. Now this one's the easiest ab crunch you're ever gonna do laying in bed. You just have to be sure of the position. You don't have to look towards your knee, but rather look towards the ceiling. So this is exactly what I'm doing, and you can finally feel that burn along the entire ab region. Your upper belly, your lower belly, your central obesity. It's actually targeting the entire area. Try and do it as properly as you can, just the way I'm guiding you. Your eyes should be facing the ceiling and not your knees. Now do it as it is and take it all the way up to 100, 150, 200 counts a day, and you're sure gonna see results with that burn.